All right, so we are just reviewing. We're not learning anything new. We're going to get really good at making equivalent fractions, and we're going to practice the comparing. Now, with these three problems, I want you to solve them before class tomorrow. Now, I don't want you just to put the answer. I need you to show your work. So, for example, if you're going to multiply this by 2's, I need to see the times 2. If you say this is greater, then you need to prove it to me. Show me how it's greater. So when we check your work tomorrow, we're going to check these three, and we're going to be looking for work, not just answers. Now the other thing I wanted to do, well, here, let me hold it there for just a second. You can pause it here so you can write it down. The other one that I've noticed that we're going to be working on is long division. There's two ways to do the long division that we've been working on. Some of you are doing partial quotient, and some of you are doing the regular algorithm. You have to pick which way makes more sense to you and stick with it. Most of the common mistakes that I've been seeing is subtracting incorrectly or multiplying wrong. So those are the things that I really would like you to practice on. You are going to have an assignment, and it's going to have 3 division problems. I would like you to finish those by the end of the day. Now, they're going to be on your own, because what Dr. Hasty and I need to find out is what you know on your own and what you need help with. So just try them and then turn them in. It's going to be 3 Google Slides. So you're going to have this due by the morning, and then your 3 math problems with division are due by the end of the day. All right, just a short video today. I'll give you time to work.